Welcome to our tutorial to see how you can get your EARNM cryptocurrency coins out of your mystery boxes on the Mode Earn app. We'll first have a look to see where you can actually see whether you already have some mystery boxes. And there are actually three places for this. The first one you see on the left on that top banner, which is in your redemption and earning history. So there you see a little badge that shows that little box. This is the indication that I already have a mystery box waiting for me. The other area is on the profile. So there you see my icon, I click on it, and I see I have one mystery box, the same that I was also seeing on the earning history. The last area that you can see it is on the redemption page. There, in my case, I see a banner that indicates that I have one mystery box waiting for me. So you will not see that banner if there is currently no mystery box available for you, and otherwise this tells you exactly where you have to go. If you don't have any mystery boxes, well, you'll just have to buy it. In this case, this is 50 points to redeem for a mystery box, and we will get another confirmation that we actually also successfully got our mystery box. In this case, I'm getting a music earning bonus for this for a week, where I get 10% higher music earning rates. In other cases, you will get 100 sweepstakes entries, so depending on where you are, you have different features available on Mode. So I have two mystery boxes, and I will create a code for those two mystery boxes. So whenever you see a code there, it actually represents the amount of mystery boxes that is next to that box. Clicking on it will copy it, and you will also have it sent to your email automatically, so that that code is always readily available, even if you leave the Mode Earn app. Another thing just to highlight is that mystery boxes are valid for 60 days, so be sure to actually create that code as soon as possible. You also see that there's a lifetime collected information, so this will always go up as you continue acquiring more mystery boxes. Every code is valid for 24 hours only, so be sure to actually use the code that you are creating there as soon as possible. If you are not able to use that code within those 24 hours, you can just go back here to this page and create a new code. So let's move on and check how this also looks like on the email side of things. See the code and also a link that will get me directly into the dApp that has been created exactly for opening those mystery boxes. It's also otherwise known as the mystery box dashboard. So let's go in there and connect our MetaMask wallet. You can choose whatever wallet you would like, or rather that is being supported by this dApp. We would recommend MetaMask just because there are a lot of tutorials out there that really help you connect and set up MetaMask. We also have another tutorial that I'll link here in the top to see how this looks like on mobile, and there is another one that is also visible for desktop. So let's connect. We'll get an information that is actually just saying, okay, you are connecting with the dApp, with the EARNM dApp, to be sure to not be connecting to anything else. So just confirm, and that sets you up to reveal those mystery boxes on the dApp. Let's go back, and here we have some information on just what the dApp is actually in its core, just giving us a little bit of a vibe of how it will look like. So let's go into it and actually enter our code. The next thing is that there is a verification happening to make sure the code is the right one. We don't want to have anything that is maybe invalid or has already expired, so this is just happening in a minute or so to verify the code. Wait a little bit and until you get a success message. You will see this by getting this pop-up, in this case from MetaMask, that you have to click on continue to then get into MetaMask. In case you miss this pop-up, which can happen, you can just go directly into the wallet, see that transaction coming up there as well. So here you see the transaction fee that is necessary to actually reveal those mystery boxes. To find out how many EARNM are inside it, this is a transaction fee that is necessary to do anything on the blockchain. So this is not up to us, but it is something that is just like filling up a car with gas to get from A to B. To make sure that you have at least 0.5 matic on your wallet when you're doing this, so you can buy matic on any kind of cryptocurrency exchange or also on MetaMask. Confirm it, and then you'll actually get into the part where it comes to the transaction pending and getting processed. This can take a little bit, just depending on the status of the blockchain. Sometimes this can be a few hours, however, in the normal ranges, this will take a few minutes. You can just set it aside and wait to see until you get a confirmation that will then show you concretely how many EARNM you had in your mystery boxes. so just sit in tight, and we'll have another tutorial that goes through exactly how the dApp works and getting more into detail into that part. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.